Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Way. This is Vijay Kumar. In the previous lesson, we have to learn how to use query selector all to select all element in LWC. In this lesson, we will be see how to pass value from child component to parent component in LWC. So in this example, we will be create two components. First parent component and second child component. The file name will be parent LWC and child LWC. Here we will be use the @API variable and passing the value from child component to parent component. So let's jump to my VS Code. So first we will create two component parent LWC and child LWC. So as per document I created two component parent component and child component in my VS Studio code. So this is my parent component and this is my child component. So friends, keep in mind always if you working two component and it is calling each other, then first we will be deploy the child component, then we will deploy the parent component. So here I will call the child component into the parent component. So I am passing the API decorator variable from child to parent. So first we will create a child. In the child component, create a @API decorator. @API decorator. Write the name of the API variable. Take W3 wave. Take W3 wave. And here I am passing the message. Take W3 wave is a platform where you can learn step by step online free sales course. So I am passing the message. Take W3 Wave is a platform where you can learn step by step online free sales course. So I created @API decorator. So if you creating @API decorator, you must import in the import method this here. You must need to add @API in the import method. Otherwise you will get error. So I created API decorator in the child component JS file. This API decorator I am calling the HTML in the child component. So here I am calling curly bracket and passing the value. This child component will be called in the parent component. This is my parent component. So first we will create a lightning card. In the lightning card, I will call it title. Title. I am passing the title line, passing the @API variable from child to parent in LWC and icon name equal to custom custom 13. Inside the lightning card, I will call the child component. So if you call in the child component, first will be a start small c dash and the name of the child component. My child component is simply rename the file, copy and paste. Keep in mind all of the letter should be a small letter. So and the separate word will be divided into the hyphen. So child it is a small and LWC it is a separate word. It is a L is a capital. It is a separate. So I will divide into the hyphen and L always convert capital to a small L. This is the technique to call from child to parent in LWC. And close the bracket. So C starting from C hyphen and all of the letter should be child and the capital letter will be divided into with hyphen. So this type will be calling child component to parent component and save the file. So in the parent component there is no variable. I am calling the parent component into the Salesforce. So I will put the target variable, target tagline in the parent component. Do not need to add the target component in the child component because I am calling parent component into the Salesforce. Child component is calling into the parent component. So do not need to add target in the child component. Always use target in the parent component. If you passing the target in parent component and it will be used in the custom app also. Then I am saving the all of the file I saved. Now I'm going to deploy the code. So first I am deploying the code of child component. So this is my child component. Now deploying the source code to R. Child component has been deployed. Now go to the parent component. Parent component I am deploying this. Parent component has also deployed. Now go to the Salesforce. I will call this component here. So edit. This is my parent component. This is my parent LWC. So I am drag and drop here and save. Go to back, and here you can see messages display here. TechW3 Wave is a platform where you can learn step by step online free Salesforce. So this message display from parent in the parent component from child. So this message I am assigned in the child component in the API variable, and this API variable passed to the parent component. So this API variable passed to the child component and child component passed to the parent component. Parent component calling on the custom application where I can see the message. So try to do in your org. If you're getting anything issue, please write in comment box, and don't forget to check and subscribe my channel TechW3 Wave.